He gave me a microphone. Well, these guys have shown us by their dedication and hard work that we are all part of an amazing community, and all the years I've been doing singer-songwriters, it's just grown and grown and grown. So if you have young or old people or any kind of people in your family, encourage them to come along to singer-songwriters, because it's a great way to be shoulder to shoulder in community, telling our own stories. Here is Turkey the Bird.
Oh.
Whoa. Fellow
Ooh, some
gobblers.
gobblers, that's exciting. Oh, well, this is exciting. We're super stoked to be here today. I was just doing the emceeing before, so this is exciting to actually be a part of it. I'm first and foremost a musician. Before, I've been doing all this singer-songwriter stuff, and I always have to remind myself that I actually love playing music, and so sometimes that takes a little bit of a step back, but not tonight. So we're going to play a couple of songs, or one song, and then we're going to bring the rest of the crew up, and we're going to sing one song together. We've just released an album called Menfish Boat, and this is a song from the album. This is one that Sol has written, and this is Adrian, by the way, and it's called Stonewall Creek.
Kia ora, kia ora. My name is Sol Bear Colton.
Hello, Sol.
Hey, hello. Taranaki is my mountain. I was lucky enough to spend last summer a bit of time in a tiny little fishing village called Ngawi at the bottom of the North Island. Yay! And Ngawi it has a lot of bulldozers. Little fun fact for you, most bulldozers per capita of anywhere in the world. And if you go past Ngawi, past the Cape Palliser Lighthouse, you reach the southernmost waterfall of the North Island, and it's stunning. It's one of the few examples of pre-European brickwork or stonework, and it's these old kumara pits by this creek. And I had the banjo with me, I had the creek by myself, and this is a song I wrote called Stonewall Creek. By chance, both my mum and my dad are here tonight, so this goes out to my ancestors. There you go.
It's so cute. I'm going to Stonewall Creek. Come on, come on. friend, my friend. I'm going to Stonewall Creek. I'm going to Stonewall Creek. I'm going to Stonewall Creek. Thank you very much.
Thank you.